Back to Imagine. Well, so far we have this. We have the first pair 3 times. And then we have the second pair once. And now we're going to add a third pair 3 times. Well, let's just look at that third pair. It's played with the same 2 fingers that played the original pair, thumb and index finger, except that this third pair is 1 note up from the first pair. So just play this first pair of notes again. So thumb and second finger, and now just move them 1 note up, which of course you now know means 1 note to the right, because up is to the right. So that gives you the third pair of notes, except that of course we don't go straight from this pair to this pair, because that's the first and third pairs of notes. We have this one 3 times, and then we have this pair of notes, and only then do we have this pair of notes. So play through this with me. You're going to start with the original pair, and you play that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You then go to the second pair of notes, which you just play once. And now you're going to add this third pair of notes with the same 2 fingers as the original pair, thumb and index finger, only now they are 1 note to the right. And you play that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this is beginning to get quite a lot to remember, but hopefully if you've practiced really carefully after the first couple of videos, you should be able to follow all of this. So I'll do it one more time and then you can go and practice it. So you play the first pair 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then the second pair just once with your ring finger. And then you play the third pair 3 times. The same 2 fingers as the first pair, but 1 note up.